Temperature is dropping faster than expected. Noted. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
Filtered coconut water flows into giant stainless steel storage tanks before automatic filling machines rapidly fill these beautiful transparent bottles.
The Brix level is holding steady at 12.
Good. Let's run the pH.
The sterilization cycle is complete. We are clear for shipping.
Excellent. The seal integrity is perfect on this batch.